Hello all viewers. Today I'm going to unwrap, a bit like a Christmas present, an eBay purchase. Supposed to be mini disc with some stuff in there, so yeah, bought from eBay. No idea whether it works or not. Let's see what do we have in there. Let's get to it and see what's going to be found in here. So, wrapped into nice soft wrapping. Alright, let's see. Okay, maybe get some scissors. Maybe get some scissors to help me. What do we have here? Right. So, okay, another layer. It's like past the parcel a bit. Let's see, what do we have in here. Finally find the actual stuff. So, up. Okay, mini disc, box of mini discs. Layer with remote, right? Okay. With headphones and remote. Let's put those on the side for a moment. And yeah, so what do we have? Sony Walkman, Net Minidisc MD Walkman MZ-N710. Can maybe see the, oh, well, let me focus it for you guys. Not really, it focuses off. Let's try again. I think it's the light. Let's turn the light a bit on the side so that it's not so blinding. Okay, let's try focusing again. There we go. Okay, let's try. Okay, you know what? Let's do this. Okay. Right, so yeah, there we go. MZ-N710 looks quite nice and tidy. Not too badly scratched or anything. And okay, let's open. Yeah, all looks good. Yeah, battery probably doesn't. Okay, let's zoom out a bit. Right, so then, oh, there's a battery. But since it's this nickel metal hydride, let's try. I should have here some pre-charged batteries, lithium ones. Oh no, this is NiMH, also nickel metal hydride. Yeah, I guess they're all those. You don't find anything else, so that looks decent. What is there is that if you can see there, the connection there is kind of let me show you. Okay, let me focus here. Now, okay, so this one here, it's kind of, it's bent in there, so I'm not sure if actually, do you know what, I don't think it matters. I think it's just keeping the well, maybe let's see if we get any life to it by Which one plus? Ah, because it was the wrong way around the battery and the plus comes out. Does this work? So that... What do I need to press here to get this running? Maybe I need to put a disc in there. Okay, so we had here discs. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Premium unwrapped discs. Yeah, so some discs. Okay, let's try one disc. Which way does it go in? Not this way. This way, yes. No live. Does it require headphones connected? Is it so picky? Still no live. Let's try with another battery. Still no live. Okay, I guess there is an DC in 3 volts. What we could do is to try. I have here somewhere battery case for 3 volts. Is this the suitable size for these? Do I have batteries in here? Oh yes, I do. It's on. There, 3 volts. Oh, I can hear sound. Yes, we have live. So it's probably oxidated somewhere, or the batteries aren't good enough. Oh, I can hear music. Works. So maybe with a bit of cleanup I can get this the battery also working, but at least it seems that it's good otherwise. Or is it just that my let's try with another battery from here. A few of these, I don't know if everything is charged or not, so if we try with another one, maybe it will work. Nope. Could be that either there's no let's try a bit. Let's try a thing. One thing first. Let's see if there's enough juice in this battery. Is there enough juice in this battery? Let's see. It is getting there. Oh, this is a bit because I don't. Oh, popping around. This is even. It shows 1.3 and then. Okay, let's put it. Maybe my batteries need a bit of contact cleanup. It's not very stable, that is it. What about this one? Alright, this looks a bit better. Is it me who is... They are a bit weird. Well, it was popping, so maybe best chance with this one. But let's see. Let's try what I was showing you. If I get this get this out. Yeah, just bear with me. My tools, I should have taken them out, but I thought that I don't need any, but I do need something. Okay, maybe that's small enough so that I can lease that out. Yeah, that was my. So let's press that there, so that when we push this back, okay, see now it's more protruding the tongue in there. Yes, low bat. So then it was that. Just my batteries aren't very good, which I know. I bought these from, yeah, not very good, these new batteries. That okay, let's try another one. Yes, haha. Here we go. Here we go. Running. So, very nice. Very easy fix. Very nice. I think it was sold as, I don't know, not tested, not sure, but as seen, all works. Battery shows 3. So yeah, I'm happy about that. I didn't pay too much for this. So there is a bit of something in there. Didn't pay too much. This is a really good nick. Otherwise too. Yeah. So all good then. So easy fix. So if you buy this, and I've had also some other devices where that tongue tends to get pushed too much in there, and then yeah, it just doesn't get proper connection to the battery, and yeah, therefore doesn't play anything. So good stuff. It's a bit case. Oh, it's cracked with the external battery case. It's been cracked, this one, so, but it doesn't matter. I wouldn't maybe use battery case. Could use this even as a, yeah, there's an optical line in. Oh yeah, this is NetMD, so I can plug this on a computer and key in the details for any discs you might have. So there's micro mic in, so you could use this as a portable recorder. Optical line in. There's no line out the optical, so it's just the remote and headphones. Can I replace? Can the headphone? Oh no, you can't. Oh yeah, you can. Normal 3.5, so you can put some nice set of proper headphones. Yeah, all good. What did I get? Let's check still the content of this. Is probably useless to try this battery, but let's try it anyway. Original, no life. I suspect they've tried it, they put it the wrong way around, and maybe it was empty anyway, so they just sold it. Yeah, this is a good one, yeah. Good one. Couple of G-Shock. There's more G-Shock. 5, 6, 7, 8, and was it 9? 9 mini discs with it, so good. Well, I guess that's about that this time, so until next time, unwrap other purchases or unbox or whatsoever, internet, eBay purchases. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.